Hi everyone! So today is day 3 of our math online lessons. Our module 1, we are module 6, lesson 3. Our I can statement for today is I can use math drawings to represent equal groups and relate to repeated addition. So today, just like yesterday, you're going to need a piece of paper so you can solve the problems along with me. You're also going to need a separate piece of paper for our sprint when that comes up as well. So let's get started. So our first warm-up is happy counting by fives. Normally when you're with me, I can point up or down, and you can count up or down by fives like 5, 10, 15, 20, or 20, 15, 10, 5. But since I'm not with you, it's kind of hard to do. So if you have a parent, an aunt, uncle, brother, sister, anybody at home with you that can help you, they can point up or down, and you can count by fives. I hope you enjoy that. And remember, it's okay if you mess up. That's why we're practicing. So let's move on to our sprint. So you can do your sprint on a separate piece of paper. You can pause this video and look at the numbers and then set your timer for 2 minutes. Once the timer is up, you're going to put your pencil down and then you can replay the video or play the video and then you're going to start on part B. So, good luck on part A. All right. So I hope you did really well on part A. Now you're on part B. Remember, your goal is to get one more than you did in part A. I know you're going to do awesome. Good luck. So here we have 4 circles, and in each circle there are 4 orange objects. Our question is asking us what repeated addition equation matches this model. So I'm going to zoom out so you can see me better and my board better. So our question is, they want us to draw. We're going to first draw our 4 circles, our 4 different groups. And in each group, there are 4 objects. So if you look at our picture, we have 4 different groups, and in each group there are 4 objects. So if we're going to do our repeated addition sentence, what numbers should go underneath? Good, 4. And when we're doing addition, are we doing our plus sign or a subtraction sign? Good, we're going to use this addition sign or our plus sign. So we have 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. And then don't forget your equal sign. So we have to add up. Is each group equal? Yes, they all have 4. So I'm going to draw some dots underneath to help me count along. And add up all our numbers. Okay, so we can start at 4, and I know I can count on from there. So we're at 4, add 4 more. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. What is our total? Good, 16. Now, the next slide asks us, is there a faster way to solve this? Yeah, we can combine our 4 and 4. So when we add 4 and 4, how many do we have all together? Good, 8. And now we're going to add this 4 and 4 together. What do we get? Good. 8 again. Don't forget your equal sign. So if you need help adding 4 and 4, you can draw a picture, you can use a tens frame, you can use different objects you have in your house to help you add. And now we're going to do 8 plus 8. Who knows what 8 plus 8 is? Good, 16. Remember, when you do that, you can also use drawings, 20s frame, or different things you have in your house to help you add that together. So our next question asks us, is this the same? So is this the same as this? Is having two groups of 8 the same? How is it the same as 4 groups of 4? Well, we know that there's still 16 objects in both, if we do it this way and this way. So that makes it similar. We also know that, are these groups equal to each other? Is 8 and 8 equal? Are they the same? Yes. Is 4, 4, 4, and 4 the same as each other or equal? Yeah. So in both different problems, our groups are the same. They're equal to each other. So I'm going to zoom back out so you can see our next slide. We did this one. So now we are on this problem. So it says to draw a group of 5 circles. You're going to keep making groups of 5 circles until you have 4 groups. And then they want to know our repeated addition sentence. So I'm going to erase my board. And they want us to make 4 total groups. So I'm going to draw 4 circles so I don't forget that. And then it says they want to draw a group of 5 circles. So inside my group, I'm going to draw 5 circles. And then they want to keep going. So I'm going to add 5 in this group, 5 in this group, and 5 in this group. Now, what would our repeated addition sentence look like? We're writing the number that is the objects in this group. So how many objects are in this group? Good, 5. Now we're going to add this. How many are in this group? Good, 5. How many are in this group? Good, 5. And how many are in this group? Good, 5. Don't forget your equal sign. So I'm going to draw my dots underneath to help me add. Okay, so I know I can start at 5 and I can count down by adding 5 more. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. How many objects do I have altogether? Good, 20. So this was one way we can solve our problem. What's a different way? Remember when we combined them in our last problem? What would we do in this problem? We can combine this 5 and 5. And what's 5 plus 5? Good, 10. We can add this 5 and this 5 together, and what do we get? Good, 10. Don't forget your addition sign and your equal sign. So now we need to do 10 plus 10. This might be a little trickier, so if you need to draw a picture, you can pause the video and you help yourself draw it by drawing a picture. I'm going to draw little dots underneath, but you can also use 10s and 20s frames to help you. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, So I know I'm at 10 and I need to add 10 more. So let's count on. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. What's our answer? Good, 20. Now we have two different sentences to help us solve this problem. And I know I did not zoom out, so I'm going to zoom it in for you so you can see what I did and check your work with yourself. Good. So now I'm going to go back over so we can go to our next problem. Our next problem is asking us, show me 6 groups of 3. So I'm going to draw 6 groups. And they said 6 groups of 3. So how many am I going to put in each group? Good, 3. So now I have my 6 groups of 3. What is my repeated addition sentence going to look like for this? Good. It's going to be 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals. So now we have to add it up. So if we have 3 here, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Our answer is what? Good, 18. So we know 6 groups of 3 is equal to 18 objects altogether. What's another or faster way we can do this? Good, we can combine our 3 plus 3. So 3 plus 3 is what? Good, 6. 3 plus 3 is what? Good, 6. And 3 plus 3 is what? Good, 6. I'm going to add in my addition signs. 6 plus 6. So you can count on. So if you have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, plus 6 more. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. We know our answer is 18. We got the same answer both ways. So either way is okay. Our next problem, I'm not going to show so that you don't get confused by me switching back and forth, but it asks us to show 5 groups of 2. Let me erase my board. I'm going to draw my 5 groups. And how many is going to go in each? Good, 2. Now I'm going to write my repeated addition sentence. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. If you know how to count by 2s, you can do it that way, or you can help yourself by drawing dots. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What's our answer? Good, 10. Now, how are we going to help ourselves get this faster? What are we going to do?